Hey there, what's going on? Kate McShay here, coming to you from my home office in Vancouver, Washington, and I hope you're doing well. Today I just wanted to briefly talk to you a little bit about self-development and talk about some things that you can subscribe to, as well as things that you should invest in to benefit yourself and increase your self-development, because that's probably the most important thing that you can do in order to help your business, is to continue to develop your skills as well as just develop your mindset. So a few that I'm going to recommend are actually magazines, so something that you have to subscribe to monthly. But there's also always audios, there's books that you can read, there's webinars and trainings that you can attend. All those things are absolutely wonderful, and we highly recommend those as well. But I'm just going to talk about monthly subscriptions. So there are a few different ones that we actually subscribe to, and I'll tell you why, and that's why we recommend and suggest that other people do the same. So there's Network Marketing Magazine, there is Network Marketing Times, there is Success Magazine, as well as What's Working Now. So those are all things that you can subscribe to monthly. And the reason why I suggest those is because there's a lot of great books and there's a lot of great audios on how to build your business, on how to help your mindset, but these magazines are specific to tips and tricks on network marketing or building a home business or being an entrepreneur, and they also give you real life examples of what people are doing at this moment, as well as online marketing, in order to have success in their businesses. And it's normally in order to have massive success, right? The people that are in these magazines and are being interviewed and having having pieces written about them are having wild success building their network marketing company or building their network marketing business. So one of the best ways that I've learned in the past is by listening to other people's stories. Because here's the thing, you never know what someone is going to share with you that's going to resonate with you and completely change the way that you look at your business, how you take action on your business, or one little tweak that you put into your business because of that story that you heard that completely turns things around for you. So hearing real life stories as well as real life examples of what people are doing right now in this moment to make their businesses work is one of the best ways for you to grow and self-develop as an entrepreneur. So that's basically it. There are a few links down at the bottom if there are any that you're interested in looking into. Again, there's Network Marketing Magazine, there's the Network Marketing Times, there's Success Magazine, and What's Working Now are the ones that I recommended in this video. So what I want you to do is, if you have one of those magazines that you're a member to and you have one that's your favorite, just comment below and let us know and let the other people know who are watching. As well as if you've got suggestions for great self-development books or trainings or audios, things like that, put them down in the comment feed, because we're all here to help each other out. So there's nothing wrong with us putting all these down in the comment feed, because all that's going to do is give some more fuel to the self-development fire. So again, this is Kate McShay. Hope you got some value from this, and come back to our channel again sometime soon. Take care.